guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to start off on freshly washed hair. I'm using my spray bottle because every time we are going to apply gel or do anything to our hair, we want to make sure our hair is soaking wet or have some type of moisture. So now I'm just going in and I'm sectioning off my hair, so putting in gel on my hair would be easier. Now that everything is sectioned off, we're getting ready to start applying gel. I'll be taking my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Make sure you get your product in everywhere on your hair. Make sure you massage it in from your roots all the way down to your tips. Alright you guys, so next I'll be going in with my Golden Eco Styler gel that I get from my local beauty supply store. Y'all should really get it. It smells so good and it makes my hair feel so soft and not get all hard. That's the one thing I hated with the original Eco Styler gel. It makes it so hard. But with the olive oil in it, it makes it feel so soft. I know some of y'all at home probably saying, why is she using a brush in her hair? But it's called a Denman brush and it helps define your curls like so well. I love it so much. Okay, so this next product I'm using in my hair is called Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. It's really nice or whatever. So now I'm just repeating the same steps I did previously by wetting my hair and combing it out. And I'm about to start going in with the same products I used before.
Breathe music, breathe music, music.
So now I'll be going in with the regular Eco Styler gel. And we need to go ahead and get these edges laid, honey, period. So now I'll be taking these butterfly clips and pinning it to the front of my hair so it can dry naturally like that, because I love to see my edges, honey. So now I'll be going in with my blow dryer so I can go ahead and speed up the drying time. Of course, I don't use my blow dryer to dry my hair all the way, but just a little bit, because I love big fluffy hair. I do not like day one hair, so I kind of just do without that. So just a little reminder for you guys, it's not healthy to have direct heat on your hair because it can really like damage it. You do not want that. So I usually shake my hair. Don't keep it on one spot for too long. We do not want damaged hair at all, girl. Okay, so I usually use this pick for finessing how long my hair is or giving myself some volume. Alright you guys, so this is today's final look. For more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Hope to see y'all next time. Bye. And I love me a real nigga, fuck the clowns. Fresh